In today's video, I will walk you through how to archive chats on Telegram Web. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Archiving chats on Telegram Web is a great way to organize your conversations without deleting them. Instead of removing a chat permanently, archiving simply moves it out of your main chat list, helping you keep your workspace clean while still allowing you to access those conversations whenever you need them. To get started, make sure you're signed in to Telegram Web. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the page. Browse through your conversations and find the chat you want to archive. This can be a private conversation, a group, or a channel. Once you've found the chat, right-click on it if you're using a mouse. If you're using a trackpad, use the appropriate gesture to open the context menu. A list of available options for that conversation will appear. From the menu, click Archive. Telegram Web will immediately move the selected chat to your archived chats folder. The conversation will disappear from your main chat list, making it easier to focus on your active conversations. If you have multiple chats you'd like to archive, simply repeat the same process for each one. There's no limit to how many conversations you can move into the archive. To view your archived conversations later, scroll to the top of your chat list. If you have archived chats, you'll see an Archived Chats folder. Click it to open and view all of the conversations you've archived. Keep in mind that archiving a chat doesn't delete any messages or files. Everything remains exactly as it was before, including your message history, shared media, and documents. Also, if someone sends you a new message in an archived conversation, that chat may automatically return to your main chat list, depending on your Telegram notification and archive settings. This helps ensure you don't miss new messages from active conversations. If you decide you no longer want a conversation to remain archived, simply open the Archived Chats folder, right-click the conversation, and select Unarchive. Using archived chats is a simple way to organize your Telegram account, reduce clutter, and keep important conversations available without having them take up space in your primary chat list. And that's how to archive chats on Telegram Web.